Hey guys, for all the details on this 200% density all-day comfort unit from Luvme Hair, make sure to keep watching.
My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are getting into another unit from Luvme Hair. So this is one of their all-day comfort wigs, and I'm going to go ahead and just apply you the specs on this unit first, and then we'll get into the unboxing. I'll show you the construction of the unit, then we'll go ahead and install, provide you the pros and cons, and then we'll go ahead and close out the video. So again, this is Luvme Hair's all-day comfort wig. It is their 200% unit. It is a voluminous loose wave body wave glueless minimalist HD lace pre-cut lace wig. Now this unit is 12 inches long. They do have lengths 12 inches, 14 inches, 16 inches, 18 inches. For the 12-inch length is $139.90. Plus, you know, I have you covered with the promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. So this is in a natural black color. They also have a brown highlighted color. So this is 200% density. It is a glueless unit. The circumference can fit head sizes 19 inches all the way up to 23 inches, and I'll show you exactly how that is. It's 100% human hair. The hairline comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. It comes with a C-shaped part, just straight out of the box, minimalist lace and HD lace. Can it be dyed? Yes, but bleaching is not recommended. Let's see here, anything else? Okay, that's pretty much the specs on this unit. So let me just show you the unboxing really quickly. So of course in the box came the unit. Also a letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you, unbox the love and shine bright. But also in the box we have a little little card here just showing about the all-day comfort wig and tips on this unit. The purple mesh bag with the drawstring top to help store our units. A purple Luvme Hair beauty blender. A wig box label. A purple Luvme Hair clip. Some little Velcro pieces. These are really good for like clip-ins or tape-ins, things like that. Or if you were gluing tracks like in between your hair, this will be good for this as well. A pack of HD wig caps. And this little pamphlet here with the thank you card, how to care for the hair, return policy, as well as their contact information. So as far as the construction, the lace already comes pre-cut off. The knots are already bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. We only have lace right here on the left-hand side for a C-shaped part and a little bit of lace right here around the hairline. So as far as the inside, so we don't have any combs here in the front whatsoever, no combs. We do have the elastic band in the inside, and we have a comb right here in the back, and we have the C-shaped ear tabs. Can you see? C-shaped ear tabs. And then as far as the back, how it is able to fit so many head shapes and sizes is this little construction here. So it's kind of like a bra strap. So we have these little hooks here. So this is on the largest setting, but you can move it to medium, which is that middle set of hooks here, and then the small setting here, which I am going to move this to right now. So here we go. So we have it set to a small, and even though it has these like different sizes that you can adjust the unit to, it really does not show in the back of the unit. You cannot see that once the unit is already styled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into installing this unit. So I'll just do this while I have you instead of doing a voiceover. So as far as the elastic bands, we're gonna put this around the back of our head. And I have on a nude wig cap. So just secure like that. And then we're gonna bring the unit down. And I am going to insert this back comb in the back of my hair. And then again, we do have this set to a small. So here is what the back of the unit looks like thus far. I'm going to turn around. So again, we don't have any combs here in the front of the unit, which is a pity because I love combs in the front. It just adds a little bit of security for me personally. So here's the front of the unit, just straight out of the box. I have not combed it, I have not washed it, no co-washing, no nothing to this unit. So I am going to go ahead and do a voiceover at this point, just so that I can kind of play around with the hair, style it up if I need to, blend the lace, do what I need to do basically. But I'm going to bring you along on that. I'm just going to talk you through it with a voiceover, and then I'm going to come back to go ahead and provide you with the pros and cons, and then just go ahead and close out this video. I'm going to start by combing through the unit with the wide side of a rake comb, and I ended up flipping it over and using the smaller teeth on the comb as well. So just basically blending all the curls together, making sure that the style is looking good and we don't have any just curls clumped together. I want everything nice and blended. This will also get out any kind of shedding initially with the unit. I'm also trying to get a good feel of the unit. It came out of the box pre-curled, so I'm trying to see, where I need to add some additional curls. The lace on this unit comes pre-cut off, but we do have those little tabs on the side of the lace. So give you all a close-up of that lace. You can wear this glueless, but I'm also going to clip off those little pieces of the lace on the side, those little tabs here. So just using some shears and cutting that off. Now again, you can wear this unit glueless. However, I am going to lay it down just a little bit, just for some extra security, because I don't have any combs in the front of this unit. So I'm taking my Luvme Hair elastic band with the Velcro, attaching it around my neck. And I'm using some Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray, which is a light holding spray, spraying that directly on that lace, and then bringing that headband up to rest on top of that lace to kind of melt it into my skin. Also, I went ahead and tightened that elastic band just a little bit there in the back. Now with that same hairspray, I'm spraying that around the parting space, and I'm using my hot comb to lay everything nice and flat at the top. I am going to refresh some of the curls around this unit, so I'm just sectioning out the top portion of the hair right where the bang is going to be, just combing through with my comb, and now I'm using my Conair curling iron to curl towards the back. I want this to be a nice heavy bang. And as I'm curling, I'm still kind of finger combing and combing the hair around it, just to kind of see where else I need to place some additional curls. I am going to grab some additional sections of hair and curl downward. So usually I tell you all, curl away from your face, curl towards the back. But in this case, with these type of curls in this style, you want to curl downward. And I think I only put an additional maybe 4 or 5 curls in this unit. I didn't want to do too much because the unit was already pre-curled. So I just wanted to add just my own little flavor to it, and just to kind of refresh what was already there. And now I'm coming back in with my hot comb again to lay everything nice and flat there at the top. It's been about 10 minutes, so I can go ahead and take off this elastic band. Now the lace is still a little visible, so I'm going to fix that. I'm going to use some Maybelline Fit Me powder with an angled brush in the color 330 and brush that right there in the parting space just to make that part pop. Now around the hairline, I'm going to use my contour powder in the dark shade and just with a flat brush that right onto the lace to tint that lace to my makeup color. And on the side where the part is, I'm going to comb the hair down just a little bit to give the illusion of some edges or baby hairs. I hate the phrase baby hairs because it's not swooped or anything. No product is applied. I'm just kind of combing the hair to cover the lace. All right, but that is it for this install. I'm going to go ahead and turn around so I can show you all angles. So side, back, side again, and of course the front. All right, guys, so that was the install. Let's go ahead and just hop right into the pros and cons of this unit. So pro number one for me is the style of this unit. The style is giving very much so old Hollywood, and I absolutely love this style. It is such a gorgeous look. It's effortless, and as you saw with styling, I did use my Conair curling iron to refresh some of the curls on this unit. Usually I curl going towards the back away from the face. With this style, you're just wanting to curl completely under. So that's the key to like these old Hollywood curls. It's just so pretty. It is so pretty. So yes, love the style of this unit. It already comes in this cut, already comes with this like heavy bang here. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love that this unit comes with the lace already cut off for us. The hairline is pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. Yes, you can wear this unit glueless. However, I did spray it down a little bit with some Sebastian hair shaper spray, which is a light holding spray. And that is just because the lace really wasn't laying flat the way that I wanted it to. So I kind of just wanted to melt it in just a little bit, and that was pretty much it. Now this unit is the perfect length. It is 12 inches. Now it does come in longer lengths, but I think this 12-inch is absolutely perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So the hair is super duper soft. It is a silky straight texture. So let me give you all a close-up of this gorgeous texture. I love that this unit is an all-day comfort unit, so it can fit a small head size, it can fit a medium head size, it can fit a large head size. So pretty much any size head that you have, this unit is going to fit your head perfectly. Plus we have those C-shaped ear tabs on this unit. Loves that because the traditional ear tabs just never work out for me. So these C-shaped ear tabs just fit very, very comfortably around your ear. Perfect for sunglass season or if you wear glasses. Also the density on this unit is 200% density. It's a lot of hair on this unit. So as you can see, the hair is bouncy and flowy. Look at all this hair on this unit. It's a nice amount and it flows very, very well. Very well. So let me go ahead and turn around again so you can see the back of this unit. It's just such an effortlessly beautiful unit. So here is the back with the swing action. So I did get a tiny bit of shedding, nothing to be alarmed about. Again, this unit is 200% density, so you have some hairs to spare on this unit. So just a few strands and nothing major or anything. Now I do wish that this unit had some combs here in the front, but as you saw with me shaking my head, this unit is not going anywhere. We have the all-day comfort hooks here in the back. We have a comb in the back of our head, and then we also do have the elastic band here in the back as well. So it is not going anywhere. That's just a personal preference for me. I like combs in the front of my unit. Other people don't, so it just depends on your preference, but I prefer combs in the front of my unit. But this unit is very, very secure. It's not going anywhere. I'm trying to think if there's anything else about this unit. So no tangling, only a little bit of shedding. The hair is so buttery soft. The style is gorgeous. I think that's it for this unit. I really think that's it. I was really trying to get my hands on this unit, and I'm so glad that I did. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love this bang to it. It's just a look here. So make sure to check out the description box. I'm going to put a link to Luvme Hair's website, a link to this all-day comfort 200% density unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gets you 28% off this unit and any other unit you decide to purchase from Luvme Hair. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all next time.